What's going on, guys? So today, we're just hopping right straight into it. The mayor got called to court. He got requested to attend court for a court case that got brought up. So we're heading over there right now. Actually, the courthouse is right here. I'm just parking. Yeah, I'm just coming right in there. I'm just coming around here so I can park my car right here. You know, you know how it be. Actually, I gotta bring up my car. Actually, hold on. Because I am not losing my guns again, or my knife for that matter. So my gun and knife are going in here, and my ammo is too, and they're staying in there. Not only do I not need my weapons on me, but you know, you can't have the game. 1 second. Oh my god, guys. Let me get inside, and then I'll try to figure out the audio issue. Hold on. I just realized I was a little quiet for you guys, so hopefully that fixed it. Okay, I see the problem. I see the problem. Okay, let's test that now. How's that?
Nothing on me, nothing.
There is no way.
I got some snacks. You want some?
Make it on time. Traffic is
You
hell.
okay, LS?
I hope that's
Oh, alright.
Night
I'm big
time
dog.
is very
You good to
important.
go?
I do not like these rain check business. You should plan better. I'm sorry. I do not mean to insult.
Alright, you right here in front of me. Come with me.
This looks bad.
Yep, with your hands up.
Alright, if y'all ready to get on, pat her down. Come on over yonder.
Alright.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I couldn't hear
Right there, you got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me?
I've not got anything on me, so don't worry.
Sir. No? Okay.
Doing good.
Oh, no, buddy, you're good to go. Go ahead, go on in there.
Right, okay, thank you, mate.
No problem. What's going on?
Alright, you're good to go in. Make sure your radio's off while you're in court, okay?
Alright, big dog, you free to go?
Sir.
Okay, thanks, sir.
I make sure that radio off while you in court, alright?
Alright, you ready to be searched?
Repeat that one more
Yes, sir.
time.
Make sure that radio off while you in court.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, that-
No. All right, thank you.
good?
Alright, so you have a good time in court?
Alright, radio's to be off while you're in court, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Alrighty.
Yep. Is Buddy over there okay?
Yeah, that's the prosecutor. Or the assistant.
Assistant. What graphics card do you have? To be honest, I have no idea. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea what I have. This isn't.
You guys outside and
This
let's get you
I
guys
didn't. I
quiet
didn't
down.
buy my PC. My
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
my
Yeah.
brother's.
I was
Alright,
first.
Y'all are gonna have to go out that,
Hey, I
that
think- I
other
think
door
this
as
guy's a
well,
bit
because
budgy.
we're gonna have to pat y'all down for any weapons.
Wait,
first off
again?
before we can let you in the courtroom.
Again? You already
Not
got
the
that
guy
down.
in the green shirt. The guy in the green shirt's the only one who can stay in here. The other,
You bunch of losers, get out.
Individuals
We
do.
were just battered down outside.
That's a
No,
wild
they
statement,
weren't,
sir.
officer. They were not. They're a
That-
bunch
that-
of broke
that's fine.
losers.
We're gonna have you step outside the lobby door, and we're gonna pat you down again before
Okay,
letting
no
you in the
problem.
courtroom, okay?
Just give him the hand.
I know you did not just call the
Alright.
mayor. I know you just not call the mayor a brokey.
I did not even say anything.
I know I
Okay,
did.
I
suggest
you
but
watch
I-
your
in the
mouth.
green shirt. Let's go ahead and go through here, Mr. Mayor. Come through here as well.
You know,
Excuse
you know where
You
the
already
door
went
is.
through a metal detector because
Yes,
you
sir.
got an office upstairs, you know. So.
Of
Are
course.
you the mayor?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Oh my God! It's a mayor! Everyone, it's a mayor!
Calm down.
Hello, sir.
Yo, can somebody kick this dude
You're
out,
rich,
bro?
right?
Tell this green jacket man to get
Yeah, we're suing the man now.
So what we'll have to do is we'll just have to search him.
I have the privilege to sit next to you, sir.
You can do whatever you want, man.
We don't care about any.
You're not gonna
I'm
move.
just
kick
another
this dude in
citizen.
the green jacket the fuck out of here.
Let me scoot over for you.
You watch your mouth, all right?
Mhm.
Before you get your
about it, bro? What are you
this whole place Swiss cheese, as they say.
That's wild. That's wild. That's a wild statement. That's a wild statement
Oh,
right there.
it's good being here again.
Yes, sir.
But I wasn't here. I was over there, chained up.
So
Animal.
that's a wild statement.
No, I like being cuffed.
What?
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
we kinda.
Can y'all
we,
feel
I
it?
mean, that's not the normal crash. I would have been shooting a lot more, but yeah.
Hey, sir, come back here real quick. Come
You
back
know
here
what
real
I'm
quick. Yes, sir.
Yo, so Mir, what's going on? Where's our court today?
Coming.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
I believe.
You said what?
They're gonna be coming, I believe.
Who?
We have a few court cases lined up, to my knowledge.
Oh, come here.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Alright, which is the defendant's side?
okay.
Bro, my ass or something? Like, what the fuck? Y'all just had
apologize, sir. You're gonna be today's attorney.
Oh my God. I'm so tired.
I was gonna say, I think I recognize Mr.
Mm.
Hendricks.
Mayor, you're rich, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah, he broke his
Personal space, man.
You got like a couple $1 million you can spare me?
That's a wild statement. I'm not gonna lie.
It's a question to help a homie out, you know.
Homie,
Hey,
Sharing
listen,
it-
man,
you
if,
called
if
me
you wanna
broke.
come over and sit with the rich people,
No,
and serve
I'm-
the bookies over
I'm
there,
not-
you know, that's fine with us.
I'm you know, Sharon's Karen, you know.
Mm.
I didn't call you broke. Why would I call you broke? You're the mayor.
You did though.
So
You did though.
would you take up in that offer?
I'm gonna have to pass on that offer.
Oh, damn it.
However, I can recommend you attending some events that might be hosted soon. We're gonna have cash prizes hosted.
Alright, really quick.
I don't gamble, mayor.
Really quick, can I have your guys' attention, please?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mr. Mayor.
Just make sure all of y'all are please
Let me know when that
professional.
if that rim shop
excuse me.
goes up
Do
for
you mind?
auction.
Yes, sir. Some businesses might be coming up soon.
All right. Yeah, 'cause I don't
Please
think-
make
I don't
sure
think you
court
can
is
do a private
please
sale
make
if the
sure court
government
is
seizes it,
professional
right?
at all times. If you guys are found to be unprofessional in court, you will be kicked out. This is just a warning to all of y'all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You got it. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Hey, yo.
Stop whispering over there. I can hear you.
Headlands in the back.
Nah, rich people in the front. Come on, get up here.
We already up here, man.
Couple $1 million? Hell no. No, like
Already
the
up here,
very
bro,
front
name
row.
it.
You got to get in the very front row.
Yo, mayor, I think you should
at
be
the
at the
very
front row, right?
Yeah.
Broke row is back there.
Yeah, I'm not. I shouldn't be there. Yeah, they're the gangbangers.
No, me
They know
personally,
their
I
place.
wouldn't take the
Yo,
disrespect. That's just
what
me.
gang is that?
Cleaning
It's,
services.
yo, heard that.
Shut your front door, bro. You talk too much, man.
Yo, shut your ass up, boy.
This is great. This is cool.
All right, we can catch a fade if you want.
Catch the fade if you want.
Yo, Lucci, is that you?
Is wild, bro.
I
Oh,
don't know
this is
who
funny.
Lucci is. It's definitely not me.
Definitely
I
not
wasn't
me.
talking to you, but okay. Yo, Lucci, is that you?
Yo, is that Enoch?
Yeah, it is. Good with you.
Oh, you're a fruity ass guy, aren't you?
Bang.
How am I fruity?
Bro, you need to shut up.
Right,
Cause
what the fuck you talking?
You know, if you talking like that when the judge is here, they might
yeah, I
arrest
know.
you for contempt of court.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm getting all out right now. You know. Sorry, guys.
Yo, three. You call Lucci? He in the city.
Hmm.
He's cool.
This is interesting. So, while we wait here, because we gotta wait for the judge to arrive, and of course this case to start. How are you guys doing tonight? Well, I guess it's tonight for me. Some people it's morning for you guys. Some people it's like,
But you know,
you know, midnight. So,
Yo, sit down, man.
How y'all doing?
You talk too much, man.
Who's this dude talking to? Today we have a lot of PD units here, so we got a lot of reinforcements. No problem.
How you doing, Tony? Go sit on the left. That's wild. I'm gonna sit in the front row, and I'm probably gonna be called. I'm gonna be called to stand. Probably. I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting sued. Well, get civil cases apparently. So, you know what I'm saying. Got the rich people up here. Now there's a space on me in the left. I'd sit over to the left. You know what I'm saying. Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Chilling. That's great. That's great. No, who talks too much? No idea. They're yapping. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a different shirt you got on there, man. You got straps on? Oh,
I'm not gonna lie. They're yapping.
What'd you
So.
say? What's talking?
I know that shirt. It's got extra straps on.
Talking to me?
It's wild, bro.
Yeah, I see
What is
that
happening
shit.
right now?
Classic, man. I get it.
It's wild. I'm just gonna. Excuse me. I'm just gonna slide through here. If it.
This is
allow
the
me.
the broke rows back there.
Man. You see the pocket watch? Oh God, yes, sir. Ski.
You're not like the mayor behind us, but you know.
Trey, where you at?
Is this motherfucker gonna rob us? Look at this man.
I think I look better than that.
I'm just gonna slide over here.
Code
Hope you don't mind.
or something?
Hey,
Nah, you
don't
good,
worry.
man?
I
Oh,
appreciate
shit,
it.
you know.
Is that you, Mr. Mayor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just go ahead and sit in
pleasure
the,
to meet
the
you.
beautiful seats you see.
And
above.
same for you.
Alright.
You all look very good in your suits. I'm not gonna lie.
Appreciate you, man.
Outshowing me.
We got this tailored.
Looks very good. I'm not
There's
gonna lie.
so many gangsters in the back. Like, if you
Appreciate
go to
you, man.
court just well, bro. They got like fucking.
They got in the green.
They don't give a fuck, bro. This dude literally has a ski mask on.
Go to the left.
The fuck?
That's where the rich sit. That's a wild
Ski mask with the
statement.
glory hole.
Hey, I ain't very rich. I'm not gonna lie. If you look at my bank account right now, I'm not very rich. I got 230K. Now if we're counting jobs,
Oh God.
I have 324 million. But technically, we're not counting that because I can only use that
Hey,
for.
Mr. Mayor, is you not getting sued also?
Yeah, so apparently, I don't know what's going on right now. To be honest with you, I've been told nothing.
You got a
Mr.
lawyer?
Nope.
Damn. Okay. Good luck, bro.
How have you been told nothing? That's crazy. You're
Self-appointment.
the
Yeah.
mayor.
I got told to come here. I'm not even gonna
Aren't you
lie.
supposed to tell people where to go? Being the mayor.
Nah, that's not how that works. I'm not gonna
My
lie.
God, my eyes
Nah,
are so
nah,
sore.
fuck with you.
Legal system comes above me too.
Nah, I'm fucking with you. I mean, I would hope so.
Can be. It can be.
I would hope
Yo,
so.
is that the broke guy talking?
Yeah.
Yo, please be quiet.
What is
I
happening?
think they put him in
Alright.
the bag and fucking beat
Who's
that blonde guy
allowing
up in
who's
my
allowing
lunch.
mask in the courtroom now?
40 million in my account
That's
right
what I'm
now.
saying, bro. Got a whole ski mask on.
Bro, look
Two of
look at my right, bro. We got
I'm
fake
broke.
ass fucking Yeats. We got wannabe. I don't even know, bro.
Oh, that's funny. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I'm also on your right, so I think you should be a little more descriptive about your right.
Uh,
Yeah, you better not be
Look
talking
how
about Kaiser. He got them
guy in
products
the
on.
green.
Man.
I don't know.
Kaiser just
So you
look
see all these people wearing
Bigger than the
suits.
city, that's all.
I don't know why he's
Yeah,
wearing a
go
ski
put
mask.
that
He's
shit
wearing a
on
puffer
when you do
jacket.
that.
That t-shirt's kind of
Stunt
fit. I'm
that
not gonna lie.
Yo, I can't stop laughing.
Suits in the front. He's wearing a green, you know,
Just follow me.
jock jacket. He's got a whole tack vest on.
What's going on?
The commissioner's got a whole tack vest on.
Oh, we must got
We got,
high level threat. For,
The gang
Mr.
gang
Baker.
members in the background.
Bro, we got searched twice. Of course, it's the
I need the gentleman that
Something
have over
going
here
on.
the masks as well to go and remove it for me, please.
Finally.
Also, you two in the white.
Oh God, the glory hole mask.
He's fully equipped with the tactical gear.
He's a ski mask.
Nah,
Oh, and we got the commissioner in here. Okay. Okay.
My boy Hendrix. Let's get
Hippie
it.
hubby.
Now that's the man that got the suits.
Oh God, that my boy Hendrix, man. He put that shit on too.
Hey, Mr. Man, when's the next auction?
Next month most likely.
For
I
business?
wanted to
We're
ask,
still waiting on businesses to either get registered or not get registered with me, and then there's a process that I have to go through before I can get the next auction going.
Mr.
So
Mayor,
can that some kind of dealership?
Gangbanger.
Shop's gonna be?
This ain't the club.
Or all those registered already?
Man, what you talking about?
Only businesses that registered, a few
Oh,
businesses
listen.
that registered with me. I'm waiting on a few others that
No.
have reached out to me.
Guy right there says he works.
And
can
people
I
that
ask
have
you a
reached out
question?
to me
What's
are
the
gonna have
status of Mr. Davis Rim Shop? Out of curiosity.
Rimshot. Registered, I believe.
Rim shop?
Okay.
I'd have to double check, but I believe it's registered.
The rim shop?
Are there any laws against being open a certain amount of days per month?
Don't believe so.
Well,
I mean, you run your business how you want to run your business. To be honest
ain't
with you,
nobody been coming.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, what's up, dog?
Thank
I
you,
don't.
sir, for your.
Like your eyebrows.
So I don't see a reason to intervene unless, for example, you're never opening. You know, the business is never opening, or like for a dealership never getting stocked. If a dealership's never getting stocked, you know, then the city hall might step in and repossess that business since it's not
What
active.
about the Motorcycle Paradise down at Legion? That's on
That hasn't registered with me yet.
How much you got in your account? How much you got in your account?
I'll reach out to make an appointment with you, sir.
Okay,
I talk to Brokies, man.
To your office, excuse me.
Yeah, how much you got?
What's going on?
let's go.
Hey, I'm so broke.
I bet.
They said they want all heads and stuff removed.
Talking to me?
It's a struggle out here, you know.
It's true.
Yo, look
Yeah,
at the guy.
I'm about to
Guys,
remove
look at the guy far right corner, bro.
How you
Like
doing,
when you're
man?
looking at it.
I'm doing good.
I was talking about you, dog, but it's all good.
Yeah.
How many cars you got?
It looks like the broke version of Central C over there.
Dang.
Central C.
Yo, this is full of hoodlums, bro. This is kind of funny.
I can smoke in here. Nah, man. Y'all lame as fuck.
What the fuck? I was on the floor. All right.
You in the courthouse, dog.
All
I was on the
rise
floor for a second.
For the Honorable
Yeah,
Clarence
you know, trying to
Thomas.
like pick up some pennies or.
Hey, you gotta stand up.
You all may be seated.
Hey, yo, stand up, gang.
You say you can sit now.
I bet.
Dang.
My bad.
It's Hendrix the best out here.
Yo, look at that fucking white corner. No,
Y'all
that's
can
enough.
be seated. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Y'all can be seated.
Uh,
Y'all can sit down.
We can hear you.
No,
My shit's bugged. My shit's bugged.
they can hear you.
Yo, everybody
My
sit.
shit's bugged. Oh, there it goes.
I don't think they can hear you.
What the
I
fuck?
said sit.
Oh, they're gonna fix
No,
that.
Y'all
they,
need to
they can
sit.
hear him. They can hear him.
Tell 'em.
I don't pay attention.
Those dudes.
We got a magician.
Magician, where are you sitting on the air?
Yeah.
We out here as the mayor getting sued. Something like that. I'm pretty sure it's for the JD thing, but I repossessed the business because of interaction that was going on.
I thought that was an old lady up there.
Hey, boys, keep it down, bro.
My bad.
Nah, you good,
My
bro.
bad.
Sounds like a
boy,
lawsuit.
Keep it down, dude.
But shut up, eyebrows.
Court's in session now. Keep it down.
Well, so yeah,
What's going
nah.
on?
What do
What are you
y'all
waiting for?
what do y'all think gonna go on tonight? Because tomorrow I think there might be some wild stuff going on. So, what do you think's gonna happen? You think it's gonna be a chill court date today, or you think it's gonna be another one of them grilling ones? Who the hell is that?
We can get 3 on a bench trick. Trey don't want to sit next to us.
Snake mouth now.
That's one where you got there.
That's wild. No, y'all
Big goat.
y'all could just type in the chat. Give me some interaction. I feel like I'm talking to myself. Probably because I am.
Is everybody ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
Officer back here, go ahead and just take your hat off, please.
Okay. Today I think we'll
Thank you.
start
That eyebrows
with
acting up.
defense
Yeah, look at
counsel,
eyebrows getting in
Mr.
trouble. Crazy. How long are we gonna have to fucking wait? Got me fucked up. Not make a fucking Instagram. Type shit. Hey, yo, Q.
Yo.
Follow me on IG. I'm gonna text you. Oh, it's fuck loud over here.
Are we getting started?
Why are you so close to me, bro?
Yeah, bro, get the fuck away from us. Smell like shit.
Yeah, keep it down, please.
Tell this cop to move. Good evening, Judge. Oh shit.
Good evening, Mr. Hendricks.
How are you, sir? I was just asking, are two of my clients here yet? They were being transported from jail.
That would be a Metro question, sir.
Oh,
They are here.
okay. So everybody's here. Okay. All right, Your Honor. So, I think I'm ready to begin whenever the court and counsel are ready. I was just waiting for the clients to show up.
Okay. ADA, are you ready?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys, you gotta
Shouting,
fade to
sir.
black real quick.
It's hard to hear, and you need to approach the microphones, if you would, please.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Who do you want to run through first, Mr. Hen?
Your Honor, we could do the Baker case, Elijah Baker.
All right, sir. And just for the court's recollection, can you give me a rundown on that?
Your Honor, Your Honor's asking about a rundown about that case.
Yes, sir. Can you give me an update? What's your proceedings? Because I didn't notice that in the date request.
Oh, I put them in today, Your Honor. Early afternoon.
Yeah, I do
Did-
see that, sir, but the
Oh.
proceedings are to be determined, so I didn't know
Oh,
if
see, I understand. So we were brought here to find out what would be happening with the case, if there would be any proceedings, any negotiations. But I can kind of give you a rundown with my client here, so this way, if he has any questions, he'll understand the proceedings as to what's happening as well.
Of course, of course. I understand he was arrested on a warrant, and that's why he's currently incarcerated. Am I correct on that?
I think so, Judge, and I can get to the majority of the information once he's here to kind of give you a ballpark as to what's happening.
Of course. Can someone go get him? Is he in holding downstairs, or?
Yes.
Apologize for that, Mr. Hendricks. I think they probably should have known they were supposed to go get him.
Oh no, it's no problem, Judge. You know, it's a new year. Everybody's learning, new staff. You know.
Yes, sir.
Complete silence. Let's get it. Stop laughing, please. You're worrying me. Look, it's a prisoner.
Do you see now?
Bro, like my pick.
I think he's
Are you
guilty.
able to see now, Mr. Baker?
Yeah, he definitely guilty. Baker, he definitely guilty. He for real
Mr.
guilty.
Baker?
I cannot see anything.
You over this one?
Bro. Baby Goofy right now, okay? I'm on Baby Goofy in right now. Let's see, I'm gonna use a little bit of stuff that I already know. So this would have been, who was it? Alexander Banks. No, not Alexander Banks. Would have been a. Dang, where is he? Okay, well, I'm gonna tap back in for you guys so you guys can get the audio. It's look like they're finally starting. 10 years later. You know what I'm saying? So.
Yes,
Let's
Mr.
get it.
Hendricks. Go ahead.
Thank
sir.
you, Judge. Your Honor, my client was arrested.
No, not
on
yesterday. That would have been the day
January
before
5th,
yesterday, but he isn't
2025.
in full 5 at the moment.
For
He's I don't
charges.
know what Chad
I had
plans on
reached
do.
out to the
'Cause
district
I don't think
attorney's
Chad's met him yet.
office to
But we saw
confirm with
him
them, obtain
the day before
discovery.
yesterday.
However,
We met
upon
up with
speaking with
him.
the DA's office, it's my understanding that we are now here today on January 15, 2025, and no cases and charges have been brought against my client. He was arrested on January 5th. Speaking with the DA's office, they didn't even know that he was arrested. Under the constitutional laws and the penal code in this section, in this county, law enforcement have to let the DA's office know so they can begin their proceedings and case track it and do what they need to do. However, my client, as the court can see, has been incarcerated since January 5th, and no charges have been officially brought against him. His speedy trial clock has been running since January 5th, 2025. And the reason, Your Honor, I can't give the court much information about what the charges are or anything is because I don't have them. And quite frankly, the
That's a
DA's
really
office
good.
doesn't have them as
That's
well.
a really good
I
tactical
had been in
approach, though.
communications with ADA Max as well as the Attorney General's office, and I had communications with them via email, and they quite candidly admitted to me that they didn't even know this case was even in existence. That's a huge failure on the law enforcement's part,
I'm
and
in.
that my
I don't know what you're
client's
asking.
liberty
I'm in full
has
5.
been
He
deprived
might
since
come back. I
January
don't know
5th.
because I've only seen Rico
And
once.
as such, Your Honor,
So I don't know if he's
pursuant
coming
to
back. I didn't know if he came back,
the laws
regularly,
of
or if
this
he's
city
back
and the
random. You know
laws
what I mean?
afforded by my client or to my client by the Constitution,
I can tell
I
you.
make a motion that my
And it's
client's speedy
also
trial
I'm just gonna tell the
rights
chat.
have
I'm
been
not gonna tell Chad
violated
to put him in.
and that he should
Chad
be
knows
released
about
and
him.
this case
I believe
dismissed
being
with
back in.
prejudice.
I think I've told him, and the 4-5 members have told him. We told him in this chat too. So he knows. He understands that they're back.
Yes, sir. I do
But that's
understand what you're
up
saying.
to him if he decides that he
ADA,
wants,
would you like to approach and
that he wants
you
to
have
if he
comments on
wants to add Rico back or not. That's on him. You know what I'm saying?
I should be back in a second.
Hello, Judge. So following what the defendant said, yeah, the district attorney's office was not informed of any charges nor
Flew back.
that Mr. Baker here was arrested. Now we did try to look for it, but we never did get any information, any reports of Mr. Baker's arrest.
Okay, sir. I understand. I think what we're gonna do. Let me see both of you, the ADA and Mr. Hendricks. I'd like to see you in my chambers, please.
Yes, Judge.
Man.
Damn, that was quick. Already
Hey!
in the chambers? Oh my god.
I do apologize.
Damn, I missed it. What happened?
He knocked him the F out.
Bust that nigga up, man.
Huh?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Lock his ass up.
Yeah, he said come over here and it's stolen. Fuck that.
Like, god dang.
Hello. Fuck that.
Bro, Drew back before he punched him.
Need to be loud. Elijah.
I wish I had my chair in here. Hold your head up. Hold your head up. Hold your head up, bro.
Hey, keep your head high, bro. We're rooting for you. Don't get the death zone.
Got my chair.
For real?
Yep.
You got some new tattoos?
Here's the thing, bro.
Hey, you see this bitch ass nigga sitting to my right?
It's not him. The eyebrows mark these in the back. That's not eyebrows. Hey, Trey. Download Instagram.
Dang, me personally, I wouldn't take that disrespect. That's just me.
Big dick buck.
What? It's a wild statement, to be honest with you.
Finna send this nigga to hell.
Yeah, I can kind of agree with you. I'm not gonna lie. Mozzie left 4-5. I think he rolled up 28s now. To be honest with you.
That was great. What you make?
Now I'm not gonna say that he is running with the 28s. He said he ain't, and you know I'll believe him. I ain't gonna throw any shade on my brother's name like that. Um, the only thing that I've seen at least was when we sold guns to him. He had two 28 members with him. So you know what I'm saying. And I heard he's working at Ellis Customs now. So I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I think he left 4.5, 4.28s, but I can't tell you. He made his choice. He made his choice. Ain't no coming back, and he knows that. So, but he ain't gang. He ain't banging. He ain't crashing out anymore. But he also bought a lot of guns off of us. So I don't know what he needs the guns for. That's why I think he's. That's why I think he's with the 28s. Not to mention the 28s were with him. 28s were with him at the time. That's just my own suspicion on that. I don't have proof of that. I'm not gonna say that it's guaranteed for now, since it won't be guaranteed unless you see him or I see him wearing red flag. You know what I'm saying? Now, walking off the facts that I know, he's working at Ellis Customs, and that he was with 228s when we were selling him guns.
Yeah, I know chicken fried faster than this.
So yeah.
Hey, ain't gonna lie, this big hard.
Now I don't think he's wrong with them for the only reason that I don't think he's rolling with the Quiet Money Mafia is he ain't never wear a suit. He's not a guy to wear a suit, I'm not gonna lie. And I also haven't seen him wear anything related to that. And I'm not gonna lie, but Quiet Money Mafia wouldn't be the type of dudes to do deals with low people. They usually bring one of their leaders with enforcers if they're doing gun deals. Like we had one that streamed, but those were so close together. I don't think he bought guns for his gang. Just I think he's working with 28s because he's Alice Customs, and which is all 28s. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure almost every single one of them were 28s, and it's because the owner of that place is Simon, and Simon's the leader of 28. Is the leader of 28s, and he was rolling with 228s when we sold him guns. That's my personal opinion. It's not, I'm not gonna say it's confirmed or not, because it's not confirmed. I don't have proof of that unless I see him wearing a 28 flag, or a 28 tells me that such and such is rolling with him. They're rolling with him. Nah, JC won't kill him. I'll kill him. JC won't. I'm not gonna lie. If he's running with 28, JC won't kill him. 28s are kind of neutral with us right now. Because they paid JC 50 million to not get whooped by us, because they got whooped by us another time. If y'all have seen his video and seen Chad's video that came out. But now they got whooped by us again. One day I don't know if I was streaming that. Now he works at East Customs. I know that because I saw a recent clip that he posted in the Discord, in DVP Discord, in a channel. He had an Ellis Customs job. So
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this shit's boring as fuck.
that's why I think he had 28. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna see all the other things. I'm not gonna lie. But honestly, if I saw him in 28, I'm not gonna lie, I'd probably murder him myself. Now, of course, I'm joking. I wouldn't kill I wouldn't CK my boy, but I wouldn't be happy about it because he gonna go run to the 28s after leaving 4-5, saying he ain't banging no more. But at the end of the day, I'm not gonna lie, it don't hurt. I don't really care, to be honest with you. It is what it is. If he wants to join 28s and the 28s want to start beef with us again, thinking Mozzie's gonna help him, Mozzie ain't gonna help him. They gonna get slapped around still, what they did last time. Same with any other game that tried to beef with us.
Do me a favor?
Actually, you guys might stream soon.
Not possible, I think.
Flex just /bag off muscle.
Or you can just go to your inventory. You should be able to do it there too.
Have a good night, Anto.
Chain 2.
Hey sir, could you stand up for me?
I didn't know chains were illegal.
Yeah, we ain't paying you guys to sit down. You guys got to get up.
Well, technically, he's in jail, so he wouldn't have those things.
I'm being called up there.
I
No,
mean,
stand.
I
Oh,
don't know where
stand
I'll
up.
take it off from.
Go somewhere else and stand over there in that corner.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Back one?
Wild.
There.
Come up
I
here.
can't even point.
Yeah, watch the door
Yeah,
or something, man.
Over there where I'm facing, to be honest. I can't
Stand
point.
next to us.
Y'all been stopped around. That's crazy.
Fuck y'all.
But I don't.
You go
I
stand
don't
on
know
the
if
other
he
corner.
is with them.
You guys shut your mouth.
Honestly,
You
he
guys
might
are
be
gonna
with
kick back. I don't
28th.
know
No
what you guys
idea.
are doing.
For right now,
That's some people.
I'm gonna hop back on. I'll probably hop on. To be honest, for you guys,
Yes.
before I end the stream, I'll probably switch over to
He's
full
testifying. Who?
5
Mo?
and sell here and here. I don't know who's selling this
Q, you gonna
territory, but
testify?
they're gonna stop
Alright,
real soon
Momo,
after
come
I
over
find
here.
out who they is.
I guess you can sit down.
And we're gonna take this
Yeah,
territory
you-
back
you-
because this
Yeah,
territory
yeah,
is
your
supposed
man
to be
about to
ours.
take the stand.
And then we gonna go, you know.
Don't sit back next to us, bro. Yeah, like, go away.
Actually, how old is that?
Stupid.
Yeah, that is okay. I don't know. You know, that's white.
You
That's
got
like
a whole bench
white.
right there you can
That's
sit
not
on.
white.
Repeat that again.
I thought that was gonna be the. I thought that was the bad seed MC for a second, but not bad
I
seed
don't
MC is more black
Alright.
than that.
Bro, these motherfuckers.
Let's go to my
barely
chambers.
make a pillow and blanket of
The
this.
color, the color's more
Let's
black
go to my
than that.
chambers really quick.
So yeah, no, I don't think that's them.
I wish you would, motherfucker.
Man, what the fuck you telling them what corner they gotta stand in? You are in my courthouse.
I don't think they know we still hear them.
You're in my courthouse.
No, I don't think they do.
I don't want to hear that shit. Them grown ass men.
Someone tell them, please. Holy shit.
This is where our tax dollars
Shut
go
the
to.
fuck up. Oh, God.
Yeah, this is
Dude,
where our
they
tax
all
dollars go to.
Right, bro. So I need y'all to tone y'all voice down. Okay, thank you. That shit did not help.
I don't know, but y'all motherfuckers work for me. Shut up.
Damn, bro, the beef is going
The
crazy.
language. The language.
I don't know who he think he talking to. These nuts, nigga.
Dang, it
Oh,
ain't,
they forgot
it ain't
to
Chief no more. It's a deputy.
I think
Sheriff
he got
no
the
more.
motor, didn't he?
Yeah, you got. I think what is it, deputy sheriff now?
Oh damn, that's that mistake.
That's tragic,
It's under
game.
sheriff to you.
What?
It's
was
none
weak as
to
fuck.
me. He just nobody. He had nobody to me, honestly.
Dang. Yeah, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. They are taking forever.
Elijah, bro. You mean
I agree, bro.
yo? Quit yapping, brother.
We're gonna email us. That's wild. I get subpoenaed to court at 7:17 p.m. In case Vincent versus Mayor Daniel Steele. First of all, I'm not Steele E. First of all, I am not Daniel. Where did you get Mayor Daniel Steele from? I'm Mayor David Steele. If any reason that you can make
Hey,
the scheduled
Winda, you
contact
should sue
court
him, bro.
administrator as soon as possible. Federal appeal court was done. Maybe I should take it against you. Thank you for you.
You said fucking daycare?
First of all, it's David Steele right here. My email is David Steele. How you say Daniel Steele? First of all, my name was never gonna be Daniel Steele. Second of all, why is it Steele E? Make these gooses, bro. Still,
Bruh.
Mr. Lowe, what is happening, bro? They still talking it over. They still talking stuff over Bodie. Hey, whoever just posted we watching paint dry, that's facts. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, that's facts. Watching paint dry. Ain't no way, bro. That's hilarious, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Shit,
Got me cracked
goddamn.
up. Dang.
Hey, guys, calm down. You guys cannot be punching. You guys cannot be punching in here. Just calm down.
Fight.
Everybody needs to sit down.
I didn't
Not
actually
lay your
sit
hands on
down,
each other.
bro.
You guys will be escorted out.
Fight,
I ain't- I
fight,
got
fight,
punched.
fight.
I tried to sit down, bro. Bitch.
Get them the fuck
Yeah,
out.
next punch out like that, I'm gonna take you out, bro.
Dang, they really jumping him. Got every cop in the area up on them.
Yeah, they were just punching each other.
Dang,
I
you
chose
stay
not
in
to.
that beautiful carpet, bro.
Okay. Next time they do it, kick them out. You're a little too late, RoboCop.
Robocop is crazy.
Myself.
Wild, bro. Ugh. Staining that carpet with blood.
Beautiful carpet, right?
Man, they got City Hall. I gotta pay people to clean that now.
Hey, see, I got money, right? Or y'all broke?
No, we got hella money. I'm not gonna lie.
Y'all should be good. Yeah, you could probably spare me a few dollars, right?
No, that's not how it works. If you own a business and you need money that bad, I can loan you money through the City Hall
Yeah, you can give
to
me
your
100 mil
business.
loan.
That's
he ain't
not
pay
gonna
you
happen.
shit. Leave him
Ever.
alone.
Excuse me, Mayor. Do you have a city council?
City Council?
Is there an elected city council? Have you thought about enacting one?
I'm considering it. It is something I'm considering.
Yeah, please stop.
I'm trying to be a secretary.
Wild.
Hey, I'm
Secretary
sorry.
of
He's
State.
telling us to stop talking, but there's nothing going on.
I'm sorry, officer, but we're watching paint dry.
Honestly, at this point, might as well give us like a fucking Flappy Birds to play.
Can you keep it?
Another iPad
Josh,
kid.
Josh, you wildin', you wildin', Josh. Ain't no way. Hey, shout out to my boy Josh. Shout out to my boy Josh. Can you keep it down, Mayor? Thanks. That's wild, bro. We can talk about that after this.
And these people didn't even let me dress up, bro.
Bro. Lamau. Shout out to my boy Josh. Shout out to my boy Josh. If y'all ain't already subscribed to him, go subscribe to him.
How long is this shit
He's
gonna
the
take,
W
bro?
Mans. W Mans.
Yeah, Mr. Man, I wanna join that meeting afterwards with my colleague regarding the.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
I
me
got my
too.
textures
Council.
back.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm a businessman. I'm trying
Businessman's
to
wild.
take Los Santos to a new level. Got a lot of ideas. Man.
Bro got some
Hey, who's this?
Yeah, moment. Yeah, I did
Yeah,
I did
this
hear
is
you
Louis
yell at
Alves.
Norman.
Head.
That had me cracking up. That had me
Hey,
dying,
he
bro.
thinks it's no one. Let him be.
Go ahead and take your goggles off in the courtroom.
Hey, they jumping mans.
Hey, Goofy.
He's got a prescription for
Dang.
those.
That's crazy.
I would just pulled up and said, "Hey, Goofy."
And that haircut.
No cap.
That's
My
wild,
shit
bro.
would been better than
Goofy
that.
with your weird ass waves.
Dang.
Same with Jane.
Dang.
Goofy, lose your goggles with your weird ass wave.
Dang.
Yo, this state you putting out shit.
Y'all are real professional.
He on that, bro.
Excuse me, sir, right here.
Bro, I ate 3 times
I can't
since
take them off.
Bro, why are y'all coming over here like that? Relax.
Like what? I've been sitting here for 20 minutes with these goggles on. Now y'all got a problem.
45 there.
Right. I've been watching paint dry. I done got punched. I don't know what the fuck y'all
What
got going
paint
on.
dry,
But, hey,
got
I ain't
punched.
do nothing.
Yo, ain't no
That
way.
ain't my problem. I can't
Ain't
take
no
it
way.
off, bro.
Ain't no way.
It's fucking dick.
There's some hilarious stuff, bro. There's some hilarious stuff, bro.
Yo, Elijah.
We out
did you get in
fighting.
prison?
We got paint. We got watching
Real
paint
good.
dry.
How's in the showers, bro?
Okay, Mo.
Shit.
Like, just
I done
wild,
dropped the
bro.
soap, bro. Don't do that.
You did drop the soap?
I think he
Bitch, I
did.
soap.
I think he's warning us not to, because he did. I'm not gonna lie.
Why can't
Yeah,
I
you
see,
got personal
why can't
experience,
I
son.
see bro's tweets, but I get notifications for it?
Did it hurt?
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Did it hurt? What kind of question is that?
Yo, are you an officer or are you like a civilian, bro? What's with these weird ass questions?
It's not good, bro.
I'll let you figure that out.
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
I think you gotta give me that gun. We confiscate it
That's
from me.
why.
Okay. All right. Get your AirPods, bro.
Throw you out the next time.
Oh shit, Bug, that's fire. That's a fire pick.
Officer, I don't mean to rush or anything, but is there like maybe an ETA you can give us?
Unknown.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
They wildin' out here, bro. They wildin' out here. They actually wild out here, bro.
Hey, peep this comment.
Yeah, bro, just light it up,
Gary
bro.
Boone that
Smart
post.
decision.
Block spawn so much.
Just hotbox it, so.
Block spawn so much.
Ain't no way, bro. Bro's talking about hotboxing, bro. Like Goofy. Yo.
Somebody escort these gentlemen, please. I don't like them.
Calm down, man. Calm down.
There we go. God damn.
Yeah, it's just the commissioner.
Oh God, not that.
Man, the commissioner, my favorite. He's the only one that I know that can protect me.
I don't agree with you.
Damn, you just talking down on the whole force. Y'all hear that? He said he's the only one
Yeah.
who can protect them.
Besides this one.
That means
this
all
one's
y'all
nice.
ain't doing y'all job.
This one to the left right here.
I
Stay
think
cheap, bro.
I think he
Check
wants all
that
this. I
comment,
think he
bro.
wants all the heat though.
Hmm?
Like a beat down or something.
I already
like
got all the heat, bro. It's
For what?
first day in office, I almost got killed like 8 times, bro.
I do
Damn.
apologize to
Trey, make a
everybody in
profile
attendance
picture.
Alright, hold on,
today.
hold
We
on.
had a technical
Profile.
difficulty we had to deal with,
Trey want to be private.
and we're gonna move forward with things now. Hopefully at a speedy pace.
Hopefully.
We are waiting on the ADA to come back in because
Gotcha.
he had a
Yeah,
headache.
can y'all keep it down, please?
So
Yep.
For real, please, bro.
we're gonna get things going.
Shut up.
Ain't no way I heard the shut up in the background, bro.
Mr. Hendricks is going to take a moment to discuss some things with his client so that his client's understanding of how we're moving forward.
Let's get it going, bro. I'm trying to leave. I got places to be in the city to run. You know what I'm saying?
Beep Instagram. Fire. Fire.
You okay, Commissioner?
Not awesome, you drinking
What
a
happened?
Pepsi IRL.
I said, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, okay.
Watch paint dry yet again. Yo, what you watching?
Porn.
That's wild.
You want to watch?
Nah, I'm good, fam. I'm good. You do you.
Follow me on IG.
Nah, y'all got me almost dying laughing over here. Calm down. I gotta keep it together. That was facts though. Only took my forever, and they're back at doing it. So.
God damn, what you standing on the table for, big man?
Funny,
Just
bro.
pop a perk.
Pop a poke is wild.
Mr. Hendricks, or have you completed everything you need to complete?
Yes, Judge. I've spoken with my client. Sorry, Judge. I'm shouting now. Yeah, I've spoken with my client, Judge.
Have you heard from heard from the ADA, Mr. Hendricks?
No, I asked if he's still having turbulence. He hasn't responded back to me yet.
Okay.
Hey,
But
man,
you
my
didn't
grandma
email
dying.
him?
I need out.
Yes, Judge, and I'm still emailing him as we speak right now as well.
Okay, that's fine. We'll continue on. We'll just make it. You can make it so that it's a
What is happening over buddy right now, bro?
particular case.
Thank you, Judge.
Yo, who's
Oh,
this
my
gay
beautiful place.
motherfuckers on Birdie though?
So, Judge, just for the record, and so my client is aware as to what's going on, we did have conversations about what's going to happen next with the presence of the DA. Your Honor, I'm respectfully asking at this time that my client be released on an ankle monitor. I've spoken with him about that. He understands that he's going to be monitored by the courts and by law enforcement. His movements are going to be tracked. Additionally, he understands that if he does violate the ankle monitor, that the court has the ability and the power to remand him back into court without any delay. So he knows that he's going to be out on the ankle monitor. He's going to be paroled. He's going to have to adhere to those restrictions, as well as I'm sure the court is going to let him know about. While this case is pending, him being out on the ankle monitor does not mean that the case is concluded, but we're probably going to have further proceedings with this case until it's disposed of, until finality. So, Your Honor, at this time, my request is that Mr. Baker be released on an ankle monitor pending the pendency of this case.
Okay, Mr. Hendricks. Mr. Baker, I'll address you directly. An ankle monitor is something that will monitor your movements at all times. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you understand that you will be placed in a zone, and if you violate the borders of that zone, that you could face further charges for violations of your probationary status or parole status.
Perfect.
Okay, sir. Does any one of my law enforcement here have an ankle monitor on them?
I have one.
Okay. Who said that?
The commissioner.
Okay. Could you come forth and again explain the parameters to Mr. Baker and place a monitor on his ankle?
What is gonna be his zones? What are his zones, Your Honor?
You would have to ask him. I don't know where he lives currently.
All right, sir. What is your address?
I'm sorry, Judge, if my client does not have to give his address out in public, just so that in case he has oppositions in the courtroom, they don't know where he resides.
Opposition.
Okay. Could your client
To give a general
it to
area.
me? Yeah, general area. I don't have to have an address, or he doesn't have to
All
have
we
an address.
need.
We just need a zone, like a general area, in relation to his house, and possibly where he can receive sustenance like food and drink and whatnot.
North LS, South LS, downtown. All right, sir. This time you'll be placed under an ankle monitor violation. You may violate the ankle monitor by trying to remove it yourself, by moving outside of the relegated zones that you'll be placed in. Law enforcement can track you and make sure that you are not violating these rules. Do you understand that, sir? I didn't hear anything. Did y'all hear something?
No.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Release my nigga.
Ain't no way.
Yo,
That's some
please shut
wild
the
stuff.
fuck up.
Dang.
Your Honor, while this is going on, the ADA has indicated to me that he is here. And he couldn't see anything, but he was here. He just couldn't see anything, and we couldn't see him.
Okay.
So,
Well, we've got what, 2 more cases or 3 more cases we've got to go through, so he needs to come back.
yeah,
There he is. Never mind.
two more cases, Judge.
Yeah, he's here. So
Okay.
I understand we've resolved this now. Your client is going to be
Yes.
released on an ankle
Yes.
monitor. He will have to return to court. You'll have to put in another court date request. I'm assuming you want to do next week. I don't know how that works between the two of you.
I can speak with the ADA outside of here to see if either next week works or anything else. But like I said, I need to get the discovery, etc., so that we can have conversations outside of here.
Of course.
All right, Your Honor. I placed the zones as downtown and Vinewood into Mirror Park, so he's got pretty much two zones he could traverse through.
Should be sufficient. Is that sufficient for you, Mr. Baker? Within your home territory?
Yep.
Okay, that will work, Commissioner. Thank you. So we're all in agreement, and we can continue this case for another date. You guys will let me know when.
Will do, Judge.
I hope this is loud enough for you
Well,
guys. If it's not, I can try to turn it up for you guys. So you guys can hear better.
Woo!
What? I'm sorry, but what?
Or look like you finna suck your shit or something.
That's wild, bro.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, the next case I have is Mr. Pax.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Pax in
Free to
custody.
go.
Yes, he's in custody, Judge.
All right, can somebody go get him from holding?
God dang, bro. They need to hurry up. I'm trying to get my quote over, bro. At this point,
Free to
it
go.
gonna be a 2-hour long stream just sitting here. Like, I'm not even gonna lie with you guys. I'm gonna be sitting here until 9 p.m. my time.
Okay, I just double check.
I ain't see it.
Check him again.
Check him again. I ain't just standing there in cuffs.
Reason why you guys are keeping the doors locked?
We finna bust the dog. Oh.
Is there a reason why you guys are keeping the doors locked? Yeah, that's why I was restricted.
Wanna wish we made it, please.
Can you go and do your thing? Release my nigga. They were in my ear. What were you saying? I was saying, just go ahead so that we can stop bothering the courtroom. Okay.
You can't get him and escort him up here?
Our frames are dropping. So
Okay. Yeah, see if you can escort him up here.
Go, 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 go. Hey Trey, that dude ever hit you up again on IG? Weirdos.
Pardon me for a moment, gentlemen. I'll be right back.
Real quick.
All right, Mr. Pax, have a seat, please. Have a seat, please, sir.
How does he have a tie with no? Okay. Boy got a clip-on tie.
That was funny as fuck.
Yo, yo, yo.
Go ahead and have a seat, sir.
Oh, free my dog.
Release my nigga.
He innocent. Say there's a bench empty now. Come sit. Come sit. Come sit next to the real one, man. Oh, you moving?
Shit taking too long.
Oh shit.
Excuse me.
Who's yelling? Bro,
My fault.
relax. Relax. I like cities up in my face. Mm. Bro, what's up? Bro? Where's the judge at?
They taking a sweet ass time. Like we got 15 cases or something.
What? Like, goddamn.
Just sentence them all to death.
Whoa, relax.
This was laying in the chair. Yo, all the gang people left.
Nah, they still in here.
Nah, they's not in the back. I'm talking about back left.
You still got a couple gangs in here.
I hope they taking time off my sentence.
What's up, sir? All right, 1 second.
Yo, who waiting for?
Judge. That boy went to go take a shit.
You gonna have to give him a good look, good little minute.
Good little minute.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck you mean?
Flying back in, I guess he fell out,
Oh, okay. Got you.
Bruh.
Hey. You took a perk and fell out. Damn,
Looked like you took a perk.
Nah, I just got
Sitting
shit.
over here laying down.
Stomach hurt from that Taco Bell.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing to
Damn,
go
we
over. You
almost
got
got
this.
that
You
fucking.
got this in the bag.
We'll see. We'll see what's going on.
I don't think they got shit.
Are you good, Mr. Hendricks? I'm not sure if you were saying something. I guess my person just wants to. Are you good, Mr. Hendricks? Mr. Hendricks? Oh, look, he's here. Y'all can hear me, right?
Yeah, we can hear you.
They didn't even take over the fucking territory for real.
Don't say y'all, no, y'all.
Mary, you hungry over there?
Yeah.
Shit.
I apologize, y'all.
Accept your
We can
apology.
continue.
Man, I just got to lay down.
Any reason for the door to be open?
Your breast stink. They had to let it
Sorry
out.
about that, guys.
Who is that sitting behind the desk there? Is that Juan?
That's Mr. Pax.
Jonah, put your hands
Mr.
up.
Pax.
I got
Mr.
you on the
Pax,
chat.
okay.
Yes.
Gotcha. All right, we can move forward, sir. Sorry.
No problem, Judge. Thank you.
What's up,
Your
my
Honor,
guys? Well, we back. And
Boy,
court's
wake
back
up
on
from
too.
a nap.
this case is my client was arrested on January 11.
4
I
days
believe
ago.
in the afternoon. I had requested discovery as well as other documentation from the prosecution. They
As if
advised
nothing was
me
provi-
that they
provided.
also didn't have any information about this case. However, that is not the grounds for my oral appeal to the court. Your Honor, I'm asking that this case, and I renew my application, be dismissed for speedy trial grounds. This case was also not added to the correspondence portal that would have indicated to the district attorney's office that this case was on their radar. I spoke with them as well. Both prosecutors indicated to me that they had no idea about the case. Again, not about the reports, just that this case was even in existence. As such, Your Honor, as constituted by the laws of this state, as well as the laws afforded by the Constitution, I submit to the court that under speedy trial grounds, that this case be dismissed.
What was the date of arrest, Mr. Hendricks?
January 11, 2025.
So 4 days ago?
4 days ago, Judge.
Mr. Max, what do you got to say?
He's not. You're not gonna say nothing.
Yeah,
He's gonna
Judge,
say,
so
he's gonna agree with them.
as the district attorney's office never got any report of Mr. Pax being in jail, I can confirm that we never received reports or we had no idea he was incarcerated.
Okay. Was it submitted in DOJ correspondence at all?
Negative.
That's crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, so hopefully this is gonna be the end of it, and then my court's up.
Okay. Well, it sounds like a failure at the law enforcement level to me. So, yes, Mr. Hendricks.
Yes, Judge. I was just going to submit to the court that this is a common practice that's been known by all law enforcement, that this is a mechanism by which they have to follow. My client should not be held accountable for their failure to adhere to the constitutional grounds and the procedures that are afforded to them,
I mean, but hear me out. If
particularly
he didn't get charged
with the DA's
a
office
not only does he not have
co-signing
to
what
do
I
that, but if
submitted
he
is that
pled
they didn't even
guilty,
know
they don't
about
have to do that
it.
either.
So if the DA's office doesn't know about it, how can they begin the procedures and then my process in vigorously defending my client any clients that come before me. Mr. Pax was arrested. He's being charged with crimes in the penal law. Law enforcement have procedures in the same penal law that they have to follow as well. So it cannot be that my client, Mr. Pax, is going to be held to a standard and law enforcement is not held to that same standard. It's undue and it's unfair. So I submit to the court and I renew my application that Mr. Pax's case be dismissed with prejudice and that he be released from custody.
I agree with you, Mr. Hendricks. So it's so ordered.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He's eating. You can tell.
Mr. Pax, you're a free man. Have a nice day.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's that money talk.
That's that money talk.
That's that chicken talk, baby.
That's that money talk.
That's that
money
chicken talk,
talk.
baby.
Let's do that
Hey,
money
let's
walk.
go.
Let's get the
All right,
fuck
all
out
right.
of here.
You may leave.
We
You may leave.
getting
You
out.
may
We
leave.
getting out. Come on, Pax.
Hey.
Let's go. We out.
Get out of here.
We out. That's that money talk.
That's that
money
chicken
walk.
talk.
Come on, yeah.
That's that chicken
Yes,
talk.
Are you looking at? Are you looking?
I'm so dead. This is like he beat the case. What happened?
That's not for nothing.
Oh.
That's court if you want to go and get technical.
I'm crying. It's a contempt of court.
Here I come.
Your Honor, I am going to call the Vincent Kane case. That's a civil matter.
Okay.
I'll be candid with the court. I've reached out to Mr. Kwandata via email. He's actually out on an ankle monitor right now. I don't know if it's a time zone situation or whatnot, but I have reached out to him. I have not heard back from him. I am going to ask that the court withhold issuing a warrant until I can get a hold of him. If by the next court date we have not heard from him, I would not object to a warrant being issued for him. But I would ask that since he is out on an ankle monitor anyway, and he did pay his bond when he was arrested on January 11th, I do ask that the court give some guidance and some leadway to allow him to avail himself of court without the issuance of a warrant.
Okay, Mr. Hendricks. Advise ADA Max or Attorney General Gregory Jones and update them on that situation once you do hear from him. If you do not hear from him by court date and time next week, I will allow law enforcement to issue a warrant for his arrest.
Absolutely, Judge, and I would make no objection to that. I just wanted to be candid with the court and Mr. Max as well.
I agree, sir. So resubmit it for next week, and let's do our best to make sure he's here.
Will do, Your Honor. Thank you so much. And with that, Your Honor, I would ask that the Vincent Kane case be called. I believe he is present in court as well.
All right. Yes, sir.
You can have a seat over there, Mr. Kane.
Good luck, my man. You got this.
And Your Honor, as I'm,
Whoa, who's the guy walking?
That's
I don't know why the mayor is just walking in right now yet.
Oh, that's the mayor.
I think so. I'm not sure.
Excuse me
You
now.
gotta wait, Mr. Mayor, to be called.
A wild statement.
Have a seat, sir.
A wild statement. You know. I'm gonna sit right back here. I'm gonna sit like a good boy.
Thank you, Your
So
Honor.
all the way in the back.
This matter is on for compliance. I submitted an injunction and a motion to the court for the mayor and his office to provide and give access or rolls back to my client and his partners in relation to a business. And essentially, this process is on today for compliance. And I would just ask that the mayor be called to the stand to testify about his compliance with the court-issued order that was provided to him.
Bailiff, ask the mayor to come to the stand.
I'm too far back. Come over here. Please and thank you. Let's get it.
You can approach the stands.
Okay. You know, approach the stand. Mm-hmm.
The witness stand, sir.
Sir, you're gonna
go up there.
It's one of these two boxes on my left or right.
Wild.
Somebody swear him in, please.
Ugh. Here we go. Get it.
Go ahead and raise your right hand. Sir, today you're in the Sir, today you're in court proceedings. During these court proceedings, you agree to tell the truth and the whole truth, nothing but the truth, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Judge, he's up.
Mr. Hendricks, you're a witness.
Thank you,
Mr.
Your
Hendricks, you're a witness.
Honor. Good evening, Mayor. How are you, sir?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
I'm okay. I just have a few questions just to ask you. You're the mayor of San Andreas, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you received from me a court order that ordered you to provide access or rolls back to the plaintiffs, correct?
Yes, sir.
And did you comply with the contents of that order?
Yes, sir.
All right. To your knowledge, what is the name of the business or entity that you provided access back to my clients?
JD Real Estate, sir.
And who are the registered owners of that business according to your records?
According to my office, it's going to be Mr. Vincent Kane. That's it, being the only
Okay.
person that has approached my office.
Okay. And as you sit here today, Vincent Kane is the registered owner and proprietor of JD Real Estate. Is that accurate?
Yes, sir.
Or him and his partners or entity, if you will, correct?
Yes, correct.
And that's that gentleman sitting at the table right there, correct?
Yes, that is
Vincent
Mr. Kane.
Okay. Your Honor, I don't have any questions for the mayor. I just needed to confirm that he complied with the court's order
Wild.
and that Mr. Vincent Kane is the registered and known owner, according to his records, under this state. And with that, Your Honor, I would submit to the court that the court also acknowledged that the Mr. Mayor, Mr. Steele, has complied with the order and that JD Real
God.
Estate is owned by Mr. Vincent Kane and his partners.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
Your Honor, I like as indicated, I have no further questions for the mayor.
No, you can step down, Mr. Mayor.
Excuse me.
Sounds like the injunction was successful. Everything's in order, Mr. Hendricks.
Correct, Your Honor.
Good
The
boy.
injunction based, as I indicated, this was a proceeding for purposes of the injunction. As such, Your Honor, because there was a hearing about it and Mr. Mayor was the subject of that court injunction, he was present in court. He did adhere to it. And as such, I submit to the court that JD Real Estate, in accordance with the mayor's testimony and with his records, Mr. Vincent Kane, as well as his partners, are the true owners of JD Real Estate in San Andreas.
All right, so ordered. Is that all?
Yes, Your Honor, that is. Your Honor, can I just have a moment? Let me just confer with my client just for one moment.
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions or inquiries in regards to this case.
All right, sounds good, sir.
And I'm looking at my notes. I don't believe there are any other cases on the docket, at least that I'm aware of. I'm not sure if there are other cases on other individuals' dockets, but as far as for my caseload, Your Honor, I have nothing further today or tonight.
Yeah, this is all I had on my docket too, as well, sir. So.
Okay. All right.
So.
But
Sorry. Go ahead.
no, I was going to say there's nothing further. As always, I'd like to thank the court, staff, law enforcement, and all personnel for the hospitality as well as the enforcement and safety that is being conducted in this courtroom.
I appreciate that, sir, and I'm sure they do as well. I would also like to give law enforcement a round of applause for showing up and showing out tonight. We do appreciate all of you being here. These are important cases, and the fact that we have your protection and your abilities to serve this court and the city and state is a wonderful thing. And I do appreciate your service, and please, please continue to show up for us. We do greatly value your service. Mr. Max, do you have anything else before I adjourn proceedings today?
No, Judge.
Okay. Court's adjourned for this week.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Everyone can go ahead and go in a single file out of the courtroom, please. Everyone but law enforcement is good to go ahead and clear out in a single file.
Officers, you mind unlocking the door? There we go.
Max, good job, bro.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, court is over. I'm gonna have to ask.
Very wild case.
Bro, that shit was boring as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Long as hell, bro.
No cap.
Mr. Mayor.
3 cases.
How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing? Might I know would be a good time to talk about the city council idea?
I'd be available right now if you guys are.
Yeah, you can go upstairs if it's available.
Yep. If you want to sit there, I'll have to get an officer involved for basic procedures, and I can meet you guys up there.
All right, not a problem. We'll wait here.
So I appreciate it. How you doing?
Is it going?
Is there a chance I may request an officer to follow me up to my office? I have a meeting to go to, and I'd like at least one police presence.
No, thank you. We're fine. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Who's that right there in the back over there? Is that you, Ram? Hey, Ram.
What's going on?
Hey, who's this right here? Charles?
Yeah,
Do you
that's
mind
me.
helping out the mayor and just following him, and he'll let you know where he's up. He's gonna go upstairs. Somebody to watch, I guess.
Probably have to go back to the station and get a vehicle.
No. He's gonna. It's
I
up
got
here.
it. I got it. I'll
You're
take
not
care of
going.
him.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's here
Alright,
anyways.
Mr. Mayor, I'll follow.
I appreciate it. I walked too fast for this guy. Alright, we may head up to my quarters. It's gonna be on to the right, and you should see the mayor's office above the door.
Alright.
This all for today.
Go, Kaiser.
Oh my god, my head popped in for a second. Jesus. I'm just gonna make sure the officer knows. Excuse me. You can step
Thank you,
in if
Mr.
you'd
Mayor.
like. Yes, sir. Have a good
You can
day.
go.
Appreciate you, sir. You too.
Also, if you may talk to your client for a second, Mr. Hendricks, if you can possibly request for me to get a meeting with Mr. Kane's business partners, I'd like to go ahead and meet them and get them registered under such
Okay.
name, as I believe they're all
Okay.
even co-owners.
Yes. All right. I'll contact him right when I'm done with the prosecutor, and I'll let them know to set up a meeting with you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that, guys.
I
No worries.
Hey man, I'm part of the conversation, but you know there's no chairs up here, so.
Yeah, you're good.
Sit back here.
Okay, thank you for your time this evening.
Of course, of course, of course. I'm
I
a
wanted
civil
to-
servant at the end of the day.
I'm inquiring about the city council idea. Is there any things that you want to do?
At this current moment, I'm still in the process of building what I would like to do. It would most likely end up being the said selected people. They would have to have a clean record. And tickets are fine, but of course, felonies and any aggravated, I should say, or harmful arrest can be, all gonna be waived, likely.
So would you be the one that would be basically in charge or
Yes,
appointing those
yes.
people?
So those people would then fall under me. They would fall under the mayor's office, but however, they would also fall under the Office of Steel, which is my personal office. Um, and they would also fall under that pretext, meaning they would be paid. If you could look at it, they'd be paid by City Hall due to the fact that they are City Hall workers, and likely also if it's not possible to be paid by City Hall, it'd end up being paid out of my personal pocket.
Okay, and how can I put in my application, or how can I get a ballot cast from it?
Oh, that would be something I'd have to reach out to you later about. There's still a lot of stuff I have to set up. I can't just go ahead and say I'm gonna be able to use City Hall Fund. There's a process I have to go through to appoint the council, and along with that, appoint funds for that council. I have to square away a certain amount of money for that council to be, paid, and services to be allocated to the personal liking of said people or person.
Okay, understood. I guess also I want to clarify, if there's ever a think group of suggestions, us as your constituents would love to be part of that discussion, to where we can throw in suggestions. We understand if they can't be met, if they're unreasonable. If you ever need any citizens' thoughts on it or ideas, we would love to be a part of
Of
the
course,
process.
of course. And that is a big thing of why I would like to put a council together. So the only issue of me being a one-person team is ideas get flooded to me. And instead ideas would get flooded to my team, and my team would then decide as my council if those ideas should be brought up to myself for consideration or the governor for consideration.
Understood.
So I should say either you guys, depending on what happens, or said people would be more of a better idea. Would be paid people to be my counsel, like I said. So, of course, my secretary and other positions that are yet to be named.
Understood. Understood. Well, I look forward to looking for your emails or your ads you put out for when that time comes. You'll
Yes,
see me
sir.
then.
Yes, sir. What I can say is if it does come down to a personal pickings, I may or may not be releasing an announcement about it. I may also decide on people I have met and also recommendations from other city council members that are either working with me or working above me. If would like to document all of your emails. If you can reach out to my personal email, it's going to be in my Discordian email is going to be a Aiden Y520. If you want to go ahead and um ping one of you guys can ping me once and go ahead and all you guys send me just interest emails.
Okay, I'll do it once I get home. Definitely will. I greatly appreciate that as well.
Also, regarding the emails, would you like, I understand you want our government names, but you would like a resume regarding us, such as former experiences, maybe past
The
teams, documentation,
Yeah, the
some
email
kind of
would
stuff?
be likely a letter of interest. So, of course, said being letter of interest should label your name, If any priors, please let me know, because at the end of the day, I will find out either way. Of course, I've contact with the commission's office and local law enforcement agencies. So if you do have any priors, it'd be better to tell me without me having to do the dirty work of actually filing everything. I should say that everything will be checked anyways. That will be double checked, triple checked, just to make sure, of course, because of said reasons that I don't think need to be named.
Understood. But
Um,
I don't have any kind of arrest on my record or a ticket. So
I mean, you guys look like fine gentlemen. I don't think you guys have been arrested. Me personally, of course, I'm not the best judge of character, to be completely honest with you. So it's going to be meeting you guys and maybe even possibly meeting you outside of the suits, on my off time, and possibly getting to know you guys better. That just depends on how I proceed with the decision I make.
understood.
If you are interested in the decision, please don't hesitate. Send a letter of interest to my personal email, my personal inbox, stating your name, date of birth, of course, the classic information. Address should or should not be left out. That's completely up to you. It's not needed by my office. However, you feel it should be, provided, that's up to you. Um, and I will be looking at those. Requirements, of course, are going to be likely are going to be ending up being 22 years or older, no felony or aggravated arrest on the record. Um, of course, the ability to be able to be handed work and that work be able to be finished in a timely fashion. Of course, because I get a lot of stuff that needs to be done quickly, and sometimes I don't always have time to prepare. Like I said today, I was loaded of the court case today, and I had to allocate my office to be able to show up. So, like I said, that type of speedy thing where it ends up, depending on position of said person, that person might end up getting, you know, because I will likely end up relocating all emails be said through my counsel, and those emails be sent to me from my counsel, unless it is certain classified documents that need to be said directly to me.
Okay.
I understand. Just some of the not questions, but question I mostly have is your expectation or your estimate on when you would get an idea if this is an actual thing you'd like to implement. And the other thing is the duties which you would like to have. I understand in most cases the city council usually conflicts of handling the budgets, um, passing laws, development, etc. But I'd just like to hear from your eyes or from your perspective what you like us or what you're expecting us to do.
From my perspective, it's going to be mainly, of course, handling emails, handling business meetings, allocating emails and such, along with possibly either attending events with me as my counsel or helping me plan those events, get those events in order. Um, if I can get it approved, because of course, City Hall budget is a big thing, and there would be no actual way, to my knowledge, to give you guys access without letting you either be the mayor or governor in your job muscle, if you know what I mean. So likely it would end up being, if funds are handled by you guys, it would have to either be allocated that way in a job muscle or be sent from me to you guys, an update on said funds. On your question of infrastructure and anything in that nature, I have plans and I'd like to implement those plans, hopefully, of building apartments for the people of Los Santos, as homeless, people being homeless or stacking up in one-bedroom apartments is something that's very prominent. Unfortunately, I'd have to say that.
Yeah, I may have a silly question, but I'm still gonna ask it anyway. Is there
Of course, of course.
are you? Is there anywhere your? Do you have a boundary on your governor? I mean your mayorship. Like you're in Polito Bay and up north as well, correct?
So under my current understanding or jurisdiction, I'm the mayor of San Andreas. Many, of course, mainly the mayor of Los Santos, but due to the fact that since I believe a few years before I came to the city, the mayor of Blaine County was integrated into the mayor position. So while I control most, if not all, of San Andreas, I should say when it comes to certain things, those things are out of my reach, and that's where the governor's for.
All right. Well, that's it for my questions. My colleagues, if they have any other questions.
Of course, if you have any questions right now, please let me know. I don't care if it's silly. I don't care if it's just a personal question. You guys can ask me anything. This is a meeting for that very reason. If you have any questions after this, please don't be fret to send me an email. I'll try to respond in a promptly manner.
I don't believe I have any more questions. I think most of the questions were already asked or answered by yourself or my colleague sitting besides me. Only the last question I'm not really a question, but just a general inquiry is if we can get your number in case we're trying to reach out to you, and then we can just have a
Oh
direct
yes,
contact
of
with you.
course, of course, of course. Let me send you guys all my number. Appreciate it.
We appreciate you, man. Thank you for spending your
Thank you for
time.
your time.
So, I mean, like I said, I'm a civil servant, and I have no problem meeting with you guys like this. So it's better to hear from the citizens, in my personal opinion, as I know it was pretty lax
Exactly.
in the last mayor position and government position. Unfortunately, the governor got passed away randomly, went missing, I believe official statement is, and the mayor unfortunately did have to leave more towards the end. So I don't plan on running it like they did. I plan on running it more of an open book. So if you once
That's
again,
what we like to hear, man.
yes sir, if you have any recommendations or questions or inquiries, I should say, go ahead and send those to myself in either my phone. I should recommend sending them in my Discordian email, if you know what I mean. Due to the fact that I'm not always in city, I'm not always awake, if you know what I mean.
Understood.
Yeah, I understand.
Understood.
Thank you for your time again.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it. You two
Alright.
gentlemen have a fantastic rest of your day.
You too, man. Have a blessed day, man. Y'all gentlemen have a blessed day.
Alright. Stay safe, pops.
I appreciate it, guys.
And Lowe's.
I'll be heading back to my residence at this moment. If you guys would like to accompany me, that is up to you. I could say I won't 100% need it. I'll just be heading back to my residence. I don't want to waste your time if you guys have better things to do. Of course.
No, we're in one vehicle. We can follow you. That's fine.
Alrighty. You're good. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no.
Oh, no, I'm talking about.
You are sheriff, correct? Or
Yeah, that's me.
okay. I'm not aware if the commissioner has talked to you guys. I still need to have a chat with the commissioner because we do need to allocate your department funds due to LSPD and BCSO merging.
Our budget is fine.
I'm quite aware
what
of
you're
you.
talking about?
Quite aware of your account, but however, I'd like to still allocate certain funds due to the fact that it is, a little bit into the quarter one, and of course that's, is part of my office duties.
Repeat that again. I apologize.
It's part of my
You cut out.
it's part of my duties to allocate funds. I don't believe you guys need them at this current time.
Need what
However,
exactly?
department funding. But however, I'd like to allocate those fairly, as it is something I need to do. as my office. So I will reach
So you're talking
out
pretty
to
much
getting those.
remove.
No, add.
Oh, you want to add?
Add to the department funds. We have a Q1 for the 2025 year that we need to add. I need to get with the commissioner and governor to allocate such funds, as we allocate funds to each department, including the commission's office, which would include the special weapons and tactics team.
Okay, so you're trying to add more funds to the department budgets, just so I got it correct, right?
Yes, so you guys will have a base fund that we'll give you, and adding on to the fund you guys already have, and then once we get to Q2, you know, if you guys are all in dire need, we might, you know, shorten the budget a little bit, adding to you guys. But nothing will be taken away. I can promise you nothing will be taken away.
Oh,
It's
okay,
just,
that's...
of course, then we also have something that's split up between all departments for legal fund that will be placed so you're not using department funds to pay for such legal things. However, I cannot
By
confirm
legal
anything
things, are you
until
talking about like SADOT things, or...?
I should say civil cases. If any odds come your way, as I know a lot came your way during the year of 2024.
That's cat. No, just kidding. Just kidding.
Well, I believe you.
Well, I could speak for myself.
You lost a case personally, I believe.
It doesn't matter, but I didn't get sued.
Yeah.
That's what we're
And
talking
I believe
about,
the
exactly.
state police.
I got a very
also
clean record for
received
my
something,
LSPD.
and I believe BCSO also received something. So a lot of people try to sue you guys, and even if it doesn't end up costing you guys anything, it costs legal counseling to even go
Well, we don't. But,
through those things.
but the thing is, with the legal counsel, you guys don't provide us legal counsel. The city doesn't provide us a legal counsel.
No, you guys provide yourself legal counseling through department budget.
No, I know, but you're stating that obviously you. I may have gotten confused because that's what I from what you just said. That's what I understood is that you guys are trying to, pretty much things that don't need to be paid by us. I guess we could say that's what I heard.
What is happening is you guys are getting department funding for money to pay workers and such, adding onto that, and then to my understanding at this current moment there's going to be a legal fund for all three departments, or I should say all two departments plus SFO, but I don't think they're going to get sued, to be honest with you.
Like a backup funding?
Yeah, basically it's if you guys end up losing cases that you won't be paying out of department pocket, you'll be paying out of, you know, the such
So that'd be a separate budget.
separate budget for cases
For the
like,
suits.
yes, that's correct. To my understanding, at least at this current moment.
Okay, that made more sense. I didn't understand what you were trying. Okay, so pretty much, yeah. So you know, lawsuits they be paid out of that certain budget, not the
yes,
our department budget. Okay, for our department bank account, I guess we say.
I can't guarantee any certain prices at this current moment. I can say that your department will likely have more, countering the fact that you have almost 2 times the amount of employees that they do with the recent merging of said PCSO and LSPD departments. That has to be ironed out, as we had a set budget for you guys and then you guys merged, so we need to reallocate a budget.
Okay. I don't know if the sheriff over here has anything.
Yeah, hey, Mo, you're behind us, right?
Yep, I'm right here.
Hey, you want to go, walk over to that side of the building? Just because we got the mayor here and there's an all-black vehicle over there that pulled forward and then backed up, like you saw.
That's facts.
Directly in front of us. Directly in front of me, straight down that way on that road.
8 Million Parkway.
Yeah, I have to go that way because my car's over there.
Okay, we'll walk with you over there. There's a suspicious vehicle over there. Yeah, no, I got everything you're saying. Same thing as Norman said. Or I'm sorry, Alexander, I believe that's his name.
What?
Yeah, I'm good with that. You know, whatever you need to do.
Okay, I appreciate it. I believe the commission's office will be the one reaching out to you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to the commission's office and report it to me, or you can reach out to my office individually. That is up to you at the end of the day.
Yeah, sounds good.
Alright, we heading over this way. It is an two all blacked out vehicle I'm gonna get shot. I can tell you, I'm gonna get shot. Is that an armored vehicle? I'm sorry, is that an armored vehicle? Is the governor here? I think the governor was here. I'm pretty sure that's the governor's armored vehicle. Look at this, bruh. I got the WLAMPD behind me. Wait, no, LSMPD. My bad. That is my fault. Up here. Whoa. They pop off. No, the fact that I have NOS. Let me get my gun back. Let me get my knife back. Let me get my ammo back. So I'm strapped. No, if the ops pull up on me, you know what I'm saying? Just in case the ops pull up on me, I gotta be ready. Gotta have my gun on me just in case the ops pull up. There's a PD come. I think that's one of them. And then, yeah, he's pulling around. Got like a whole police escort, bro. Look at that, all blacked out. No ram bar. Barely tell. If it was blacked out windows, it'd be even better. That's an unlocked right there.
Yeah, I'm not been.
There we go.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, well we gotta head here because it's not my house.
Hey, Mr. Mayor, you're good to go through the light. I got this.
Dang, W cops, bro. W cops, bro. Look at this. Look at the cop, like the police escort, bro. Look at this, I got the police escort, bro. I got the police escort. Look at that. W cops, bro. Guess I'm running this red light too. Come on, I'm talking about 10 seconds. Dang. Oh, tragic. Ugh, that hurts. I gotta run back over there. Tell them thank you. Thank you for the escort. I appreciate it tons. It makes me feel way
Yeah,
safer.
no problem. No problem, man. You have a good night.
On YouTube. Get up out of here, bro! Look at that. And the mayor is coming out the streets now. Now, so I plan on doing something else. I see that there's 5 of you guys in here. I'm surprised there's 5 of you guys stayed around. It's kind of, there hasn't been much going on. So, I got a question, and I'm gonna give some time to answer this. So, do you guys want me to stay on this character and go on to the civ? So, put some civilian clothing on, maybe hang out with the rich people I was just talking to. You know what I mean? Or do you guys want me to go ahead and go on as LEO and SF or SFR? What do you guys want me to do? And to make it easier for you guys, I'm gonna start a poll. Give me 5 seconds, please. Alrighty, guys, I went ahead and started a poll. So if you guys want to go ahead and get a looking at that, let me know what you guys want to do. So I wanted to ask you guys what you want me to do for the new people in here. I went ahead and started a poll. Do you guys want me to continue on as a civ with um we have a poll going on right now. Should I stay on as a civ? Should I go on as a CFO? Or should I go ahead and uh, stay as the mayor and go on with some civilian clothing, go on, meet some people, you know what I'm saying? Maybe get some drinks on me. What's going on? So I'm sitting right here. I'm writing something right now. If y'all want to vote, I have, go on to say false state on the mayor character. So I apologize about that, guys. Um, I'm sorry about that, guys. So we are gonna go ahead and get this set up. Uh, okay. That's gonna go ahead and be ended. So I believe what I'll be doing is, depending on who's available, going with the option of Civ. Kinda need to be paid. I haven't been paid this entire time. I just realized that. So what I am gonna do, actually, real quick, before I decide if I'm hopping off this character or not, um, I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to people. guys. Well, sorry to end it randomly. To be honest with you guys, I wasn't planning on ending it right now, but to be honest, I'm just not feeling like going on right now. I might. To be completely honest with you, I think I'm just gonna go possibly film 1 or 2 videos. Maybe probably just film 1, to be honest with you guys. And get those, once I get those videos filmed, get them edited and get them out. Because I know you guys have been really wanting videos, and I want you guys to be able to watch something that's 30-40 minutes long instead of watching a stream that's 2 hours long, where you guys are having to sit between the wait with the videos. Of course, I can edit out the in between parts, but you guys aren't just watching me do every little thing. You know what I mean? So I am gonna go ahead and end here. I want to thank everyone for the support. I recently hit 80 subscribers, which for some people doesn't sound like a lot, but for me, I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot. And actually, we've peaked at 83 now. We just peaked at 83, so I want to appreciate and say thank you to everyone who's helped me out so far, everyone who's subscribed, and I just want to let you guys know my honest thank you for getting me at this point. I've been streaming for maybe just barely a month now after getting back from it, with some help, with the help of people like Chad, Conservancy, Steve, or Streets for Life, Jay. Special mentions, of course, to people like Josh, who was streaming before me, and made me also want to get back into streaming. I've since then posted, since I restarted, I've posted 3 shorts, and I've live streamed 1, 4, 5. This is 6. This is number 6 of me streaming. So I just want to say thank you guys for everything you guys do, for you guys coming in here and even just sitting with me and reading the post, liking the post, watching the videos, watching the shorts, all of that stuff. You may not think it helps me out, but it does help me out. It lets me know that you guys want me to continue. So I appreciate